how to change login password in Claude AI. So if you want to change your login password in your Claude AI, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Claude application. After opening, you need to just simply go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And here you will get this kind of interface. You need to go with the bottom, which has your profile option. Tap on your profile, and from here you need to scroll down a bit, and then you will find an option of settings. Once you click on settings, you need to go with your profile, and here you will have your full name. You can update your profile if you want to, and if you want to delete your account, you can just simply go and delete it. But if you want to change your password, then you won't find the option of changing password on your Claude AI. So if you want to change your password, you can just simply go with your login interface and then tap on forgot your password. And from there, you can reset your password. You can reset or restore your password, but there's no option to change login password in your Claude AI application. So just simply tap on log out and now tap on enter your email and enter your email address. Go with the arrow which will be on the right side, and it will give you a code. Or if it asks you for your password, then you just need to simply go with don't remember my password or forgot my password and then reset your account password. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.